Hello guys, this is LEGO City Star Wars fan. I am going to be doing a review on the LEGO City sports car. This set has how many pieces? I don't have the box with me, but 89 pieces, ages 5 and up. And it's set number 60285. And this is a pretty cool little set. I got this last weekend actually. I actually went to the LEGO store in Germany last weekend and for a Christmas market. And I got this set along with Prisoner Transport, which I'll review later, and I'll review these two as well. Those are the two sets I got when I went to LEGO store in Amsterdam after my last haul video. So yeah, let's take a look at this set. This is the, as it says, LEGO City Sports Car. Let's first look at the instructions. 55 pages of building. So you can put the mech here inside. This is some other vehicles sets. I've got that one, as you just that's one I just showed you. That one too, and that's the one I'm reviewing. I don't think I'll get these three. Oh no, I just won't. Now let's have a look at the set. So let's start with the minifigure. He has a red jacket, blue shirt, white pants. A very cool face. I'm not sure if he has a double-sided face. Nope. And he has blonde hair. So he's a pretty cool guy. I like him. Let's take a look at the car. This is very cool. It's like a race car. Yeah, I like the front here. Here's the front, back, I have a trunk, back, side, top, and bottom, and the other side. Yeah, it's got the thing right here to make it's like a race car. And if you put it inside, you put your minifigure inside. It has a white, well, the steering wheel is black, but the body of the body part is white. Yeah, this is a pretty small set, so there's not really much else to say. This is a pretty cool little set. Of course, you should definitely get it. Well, I live in the Netherlands, so this is 10 euros. I'm not sure how much it is in Germany. Maybe it's also the same. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't really think the price is pretty important. So, yeah, I will. Yeah, please rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And bye.